What's up, girl YouTubers? Welcome back to the channel where we help you grow and monetize your content. If you're new here, my name is Queen, and if you're returning, what's up? Today I'm going to break down everything you need to know about getting monetized on YouTube in 2025. So if you're serious about making money on YouTube, stick around because I'm sharing the exact step you need to follow. First thing you need to do is understand YouTube monetization requirements. What does it actually take to get monetized? So YouTube have two monetization milestones. So we have level 1 and level 2. And with level 1, you need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours or 3 million short views. So with level 1 of YouTube monetization, this unlocks super thanks, super chat, and membership. So yes, you can have a membership with the first level of YouTube monetization. I know a lot of people focus on level 2, so that's what we're going to talk about. For level 2, you're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short views. So this is going to lock ad revenue or full monetization. This means on YouTube, you can actually start making money if you have 500 subscribers. But to unlock the full YouTube partnership, you need to have that 1K, 4K, okay? 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So how are you going to get there? You're going to get there by growing your channel. My client, after starting her YouTube channel, was able to monetize her YouTube channel within 3 months. One video pop off, it get over 100,000 views. She was able to gain over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours. So she was monetized really quick, really fast. And I was very excited for her. Anyway, it shows that there is room for you. If you're thinking that, hey, can this happen to me? Yes, it can happen to you. To grow your channel to 500 subscribers and more fast, these are some things you want to do. So now, how do you actually hit those milestones? This is the key, all right? Pick a niche, and also you can be your own niche. And you need to make videos around that specific topic, whether it be health, fitness, YouTube, monetization, money, finances. But the topic that you pick, you want to make sure people actually want to view the content pertaining to the topic. That is the key. You want to pick a topic that people want to watch, okay? And the next thing you want to do is create bench watching content, which just means like if someone watch one of your video and they love it, they're gonna go and watch more. And I have done that with my favorite creators as well. I'm like, this is good. Let me go and check out to see what else they have on their channel, right? The next thing you need to do is always try to answer your audience questions, because the best way to grow is to provide value. When you're providing value, nothing can beat that. So pay attention to your comments and create videos about what people ask for. So a bonus tip, to be consistent. And consistent might look differently for everyone, but I highly recommend at least you're posting 2 videos a week. Post it on the same day around the same time. This helps YouTube to understand your channel and even push it out more. So when you finally reach your 4,000 watch hours or the 10 million views from your shorts, this is where a lot of YouTubers struggle. Getting the first 1,000 followers is quite easy. A lot of YouTubers struggle getting 4,000 watch hours. So here's how you can speed up the process. Make longer videos. Yes, at least 8 minutes plus. Encourage people to bench watch your videos. And what I mean by that, I have been preaching this, is to create playlists with the same categories. If they found this video interested and have a playlist, it would take them to the next video and the next video. That way you automatically get more views and more watch hours. I need you to go live. Going live really helps. So going live comes towards your watch hours and they help boost engagement. But if you watch it and you know you have the time to go live, just go ahead and go live. Keep in mind, I know shorts can get you monetized, but it is a lot of views you need. So if you love creating shorts and you believe that you can get that 10 million views, go right ahead and post those shorts. So when you get that 4,000 watch hours and that 1K subscribers, listen, that is when you can apply for the YouTube partnership program. So once you hit the requirements, YouTube will send you a notification inside YouTube Studio that you qualify for monetization. And I know that is like the most exciting thing everybody wants. These are the next steps you need to take. So the first step is you need to apply for the YouTube partnership program, okay? It's gonna prompt you to set up a Google AdSense. Just go ahead and set up your Google AdSense. When you're setting up your Google AdSense, they're going to ask you for an email address. Please know which email address you put in. They're going to ask you for personal information as well, like your social security, because why? Because you're going to be getting paid. And also they're going to ask you for your bank information so they know where to send your money. Step 3 was the most difficult part for me when I didn't really understand it. After you set up your Google AdSense, and you put in your information, they're going to send you a pin in the mail. Make sure your address is correct. They're going to send you a little paper, a little slip with a pin on it. When you get that pin, you need to go back into your account and just put in the pin. When you put in your pin, that is going to confirm that you're a real person and it's your account. After that, YouTube is going to review your channel. This can take days or a few weeks. Some people get the review done really quickly as well. Basically, those are the steps you're going to take. There's nothing to it. Just follow the instructions and just wait. That slip in the mail. And I know when you get a slip in the mail, you're going to be jumping for joy. But after all of that, YouTube is going to review your channel. It's going to take a couple days to a few weeks, okay? Just make sure you're following all the rules on your channel. There's no copyrighted content on your channel, no reused videos, and no community guidelines strike, okay? If you don't have any of those, you're going to get approved. So after you get approved and you enter the YouTube partnership program, this is how you're going to optimize your monetization strategy. And now that you monetize, how do you actually make money? You make money from YouTube placing ads on your content. Now, the best way to do this, please note that to place ads on your video needs to be at least 8 minutes long, okay? 8 minutes long. So that's why some people tend to drawn out their video because they want to be able to place those ads on the videos. So the good thing about this is that you can control where the ad shows up on your video. You can place them throughout your videos in a strategic way, but please do not overwhelm your videos with a million ads. 3 and 4, 5 maybe, depending on how long your video is, right? You can do one in the beginning, one at the end, and probably like 2 in the middle because you want to give the viewers the best experience still while still making the money, okay? This is where a lot of people go wrong. A lot of new YouTubers go wrong. You need to go and turn on your ads. When you turn on your ads, you can actually place ads on your video. Don't wait for YouTube to do that for you because they're not going to, all right? You need to go and actually turn it on. The next way you're going to be able to make more money while you're in the program is to actually go live. I know. Live stream, it boosts watch time, it gives you access to super chat. And the longer people stay on the video, the more money you make. So with going live, you actually make more money. Let's just say you have 14 people on your live actually being there interacting with you, you're going to make more money on that live, all right? So don't be afraid to go live. Next thing you want to do, this is just another way you can monetize your YouTube channel. It depends on your niche. You can go ahead and sell a digital product, digital download, something very simple that you can create so you can monetize in other ways as well, okay? Because you're already providing value for your audience. Why not create a product and just tell them about it, and it's up to them to whether they want to buy it or not. That's another way to monetize your YouTube channel. Of course, there's brand deals and sponsorships, so make sure you have your contact information in your description so brands can actually reach out to you. Companies will actually pay you to review their products even if you are a growing creator. Yes, you can get brand deals as well. And I just want to say monetization doesn't consist of just ads alone. Think beyond YouTube and find other ways to see how you can monetize your content. And that is how you get monetized on YouTube in 2025. So if you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video because it tells the algorithm something good is happening here. And if you haven't joined the growing YouTuber community, what you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe. So if you're a growing YouTuber and you want to know how to gain more views and more subscribers, I will go ahead and I will link a playlist right here. So you can go ahead and watch all the videos. It will help you to get more views and more subscribers. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah.